Leather is nature's fabric with lots of variations and imperfections. And as craftsmen, we have a choice to embrace it or hide it. Most large brands choose the option of hiding it by employing heavy finishes that you have heard me mentioning before. Heavy finishes consist of plastics, waxes, and pigments to accomplish that standardization goal these brands have. Now, I want to tell you the story of that heavy finish using a meat analogy. Like leather, meat has varying flavors, and you might go with just salt and pepper on a nice cut of steak, or you could choose the standard route and make a hot dog with a lot more additives. For that standardization process, you need a lot more additives and seasonings to accomplish a very repeatable taste and look. Once we employ these heavy finishes, what we did is hide the natural flavors into the meat and accomplished a very standard taste and look each and every time. I understand this might be a necessity for large-scale businesses, but this takes us further away from the natural flavor of the meat or the leather. Are there benefits to these heavy finishes? Yes, of course. They are more scratch and water resistant, easier to clean. They look more consistent in color and shades, but they are really far away from the artisan leather look some of us crave. In some cases, these large brands buy really high quality raw materials that can be finished into these beautiful pieces, yet they choose the standardization route for their business requirements. In a sense, they buy the highest cuts of the steak and they make a hot dog out of it. In my opinion, it is kind of a waste of the potential for a raw material.